We're going to be speaking about the role of body therapy for our younger clients today, and then expanding tomorrow to the family and group model. And when we look at why, we know that talk therapy has its limitations. Children cannot hold multiple working models. They have very concrete or black and white thinking. There's the fear, if I say it, I'll be in trouble, or I've been told, as many of our clients are told by their parents, what goes on in this house stays in the house. So they learn not to use words to express their emotions, their thoughts, their feelings. Or they perceive that it's all their fault, or that the memories are often non-accessible, dissociated memories. They're unable to hold on.